Entering a new employee in GuestVision. You will need all of your employees' information such as name, address, phone number, or anything else that is important for you to track within the system. Their job title and security level. It's important to understand what their job title will be and what their duties will be within GuestVision so that you can properly assign their job title and security level. If you run payroll through GuestVision, you'll want to make sure you understand what payroll structure they belong to so that their payroll calculations are calculated in their reports. You'll want to go to Manager, Admin, Student/Employee, and then you're going to go ahead and click New Employee, and that's going to give you a blank sheet here on the right-hand side that allows you to fill in all of their information. The required fields are the ones in bold: first name, last name, and phone number. The system won't let you save anything unless you have those required fields entered, but you want to fill in as much information in here as possible, such as email address, birth dates, physical addresses, or anything else that you want to be able to track for that specific employee. Then you're going to be able to select their security level. Remember, security is custom to every location, and that's going to depend on what you've set up in your security structures. I'm going to select Manager, as this will be an instructor that will be helping me enter students' time and editing students' time. For the default job or course, I'm going to go ahead and select Instructor. That's where you'll want to select their job title. You'll want to make sure that it matches at the bottom grid and remove any additional jobs that are there and apply any payroll structures that apply to that specific employee. You can then move on to entering addresses, if there is any specific internal codes, employee ID codes. If you want to be able to track social security numbers or any other type of numbers within here, you can utilize the code or ID number fields for those specific employees. The system will automatically enter what the hire date is, and so you won't have to enter the hire date. The system will automatically filter that as the date that you're entering it. If you did hire them before today's date, then you can go ahead and change that date and click Save. If you track your hiring sources as to the reasons why you hire, you can always enter that there as well with that pop-up and then click Save. That'll go ahead and save that new employee, and you'll be able to see their name on the left-hand side. You'll be able to review all of their information, and if you're going to be setting up a manual password for that employee, this is the time to leave their name highlighted and then click Reset Password, and that'll allow you to enter what you want their password to be. We recommend the password to be the last 4 digits of their social security number because it's short and it's easy for them to remember, and they are less likely to share that with anybody else. If you're not going to be using the manual password, you'll want to utilize your fingerprint readers. You can click Enroll Fingerprints, select the finger that you're going to be enrolling for them, and set that up as their password. Once you have done that, you are done entering the new employee, and they can start using the system with their passwords. If you have any additional questions, please call our support line at 1-800-967-0249.